Right now, across more than 250 American cities, a dangerous weather pattern is unfolding that will affect your life this week. Whether you are planning outdoor events, traveling for business, or simply trying to keep your family safe, what happens in the next 72 hours will determine if you face spring warmth or winter chaos. And here is what nobody is telling you. This is not just about snow or storms. This is about a complete atmospheric battle happening right above your head. By the time you finish watching this, you will know exactly when these systems hit your neighborhood, what to expect hour by hour, and most importantly, how to stay ahead of the danger. Stay with me because at the 5-minute mark, I am going to reveal which major cities will see the most extreme temperature swings in recorded February history. But first, let me show you what is already happening right now. At this very moment, two massive weather systems are colliding across North America. One is pumping spring-like warmth into the eastern two-thirds of the United States, sending temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above normal. The other is bringing Arctic cold and heavy mountain snow to the west coast. And within 72 hours, these two systems will clash in the most violent way possible, creating severe thunderstorms with tornado potential across the Ohio Valley. This is not a drill. The Storm Prediction Center has already issued a rare day for severe weather outlook, and they do not do that unless something significant is brewing. Let me break down exactly what is happening and when it will hit your area. If you live in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Sacramento, San Diego, Portland, Seattle, Spokane, Boise, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, Phoenix, Tucson, Albuquerque, Denver, Colorado Springs, Boulder, Fort Collins, Cheyenne, Casper, Billings, Great Falls, Missoula, or Helena, your weather this week is all about one thing: snow, massive amounts of snow. We are talking about 8 feet of accumulation in the Sierra Nevada mountains. That is not a typo. 8 feet. The National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, and blizzard watches across the entire western United States. This is a once-in-a-decade snow event for California's mountains. Here is the timeline. Right now, as I speak, heavy rain and snow are already moving onshore across California. Los Angeles has seen multiple severe thunderstorm warnings today with tornado possible tags. Yes, you heard that right. Tornadoes in Los Angeles. The same atmospheric river bringing this moisture is capable of rotating, creating waterspouts off the coast and potential tornadoes inland. San Francisco and Sacramento will see this threat continue through tomorrow. But the real story is the mountains. Starting tonight, Monday, February 16th, and continuing through Thursday, February 19th, the Sierra Nevada will be absolutely hammered. We are measuring snow in feet, not inches. Mammoth Mountain, Lake Tahoe, Donner Pass, all looking at 6 to 8 feet of total accumulation. The I-5 Grapevine will become impassable at times. Highway 50 over Echo Summit will see multiple closures. Interstate 80 through the Donner Pass will require chains, and even then, travel will be nearly impossible during the height of the storm. Snow levels will drop as low as 1,500 feet. That means communities that rarely see snow will be dealing with several inches. This is not just a high-elevation event. Redding, Chico, even parts of the Sacramento Valley could see wet snow mixing in. For those of you with travel plans through any mountain pass in California, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Utah, Montana, Wyoming, or Colorado, you need to check conditions every single hour. This is a dynamic situation that will change rapidly. The Cascade Mountains in Oregon and Washington are next in line. Mount Hood, Mount Rainier, Mount Bachelor, all expecting 3 to 5 feet of new snow. Portland will see rain, lots of it, with flooding concerns in urban areas and landslide risks in the hills. Seattle will experience similar conditions with heavy rain Tuesday through Thursday and snow levels dropping to 2,000 feet in the Cascades. Spokane and Coeur d'Alene will transition from rain to heavy snow Wednesday night into Thursday as colder air filters in behind the system. Moving inland, Boise, Idaho is looking at a significant snow event Wednesday night through Friday morning. Accumulations of 8 to 14 inches in the city, with higher amounts in the surrounding mountains. Salt Lake City will see this system arrive Thursday, bringing 6 to 10 inches of snow to the valleys and 1 to 2 feet in the Wasatch Mountains. Park City, Alta, Snowbird, all the ski resorts are about to get absolutely buried. This is the snow Super Bowl for Utah. For Denver, Colorado Springs, Boulder, and Fort Collins, your turn comes Thursday night into Friday. This is where things get interesting. The European model and the GFS model are showing slightly different scenarios, but both agree on significant snow for the Front Range. We are looking at 6 to 12 inches for Denver, with higher amounts in the foothills and mountains. Vail, Breckenridge, Aspen, Telluride, all expecting 1 to 2 feet. The timing is crucial here. This hits during the Thursday evening commute, so if you work in downtown Denver and live in the suburbs, you need to plan accordingly. This could be a crippling commute situation. Cheyenne and Casper, Wyoming, you are in the bullseye for this system. Friday into Saturday brings 8 to 16 inches of heavy, wet snow. This is the kind of snow that breaks tree branches and causes power outages. Have your emergency supplies ready. Billings, Great Falls, and Missoula, Montana, you will see this system arrive Friday night into Saturday, bringing 6 to 12 inches of snow along with strong winds creating blizzard conditions in open areas. Now, while the West gets buried in snow, the eastern two-thirds of the country is experiencing something completely different: spring. Unseasonable, record-breaking, almost summer-like warmth. And this is where the danger really begins. Let me give you city-by-city temperature forecasts for the next 72 hours, and you will see exactly what I mean. Dallas, Texas, right now you are sitting at 79 degrees. Tomorrow, Tuesday, you will hit 84 degrees. Wednesday, you could touch 86 degrees. That is not just warm for mid-February, that is hot. San Antonio, you are looking at 84 degrees tomorrow and potentially 87 degrees Wednesday. Houston, 83 degrees Wednesday. Austin, 85 degrees Wednesday. These are July temperatures in the middle of February. Oklahoma City, you will reach 74 degrees tomorrow and 78 degrees Wednesday. Tulsa, similar story, 76 degrees Wednesday. Now here is what you need to understand. This warmth is fuel. It is feeding moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, and that moisture is colliding with a massive cold front that is going to crash through Thursday night into Friday. When I say crash, I mean violently. Tornado outbreak potential, severe thunderstorm threat, damaging winds, large hail, all on the table for Thursday night. Wichita, Kansas, 72 degrees Wednesday, then dropping to 48 degrees Friday. That is a 24-degree temperature drop in less than 24 hours. Topeka, Kansas City, all experiencing the same whiplash. Little Rock, Arkansas, 80 degrees Wednesday, 62 degrees Friday. Memphis, Tennessee, 78 degrees Wednesday, then dropping into the upper 50s Friday. This is not normal even for a volatile weather pattern. Now let us move to the real danger zone, the Ohio Valley and the Mid-South. Louisville, Kentucky, you are the poster child for this severe weather setup. Tomorrow, Tuesday, 68 degrees. Wednesday, 74 degrees. But Wednesday night into Thursday, dew points, that is the measure of moisture in the air, will climb into the upper 50s and low 60s in February. Let me repeat that. Dew points in the 60s in February in Kentucky, that is unheard of. And that moisture, combined with a strengthening low-pressure system racing across the Great Lakes, is going to create extreme wind shear. Wind shear is what allows thunderstorms to rotate. Rotation means tornadoes. Indianapolis, you are in the same boat. 67 degrees Wednesday, dew points climbing into the mid-50s Thursday evening. Cincinnati, 69 degrees Wednesday. Columbus, Ohio, 64 degrees Wednesday. All of you in this corridor from St. Louis through Indianapolis, Louisville, Cincinnati, and into Columbus. Thursday night is your critical window. The latest high-resolution models are showing a line of supercell thunderstorms developing east of St. Louis around 8 p.m. Thursday and racing northeast through Indiana and Ohio through the overnight hours. Supercells are the most dangerous type of thunderstorm because they can produce strong tornadoes, very large hail, and damaging straight-line winds all at the same time. St. Louis, Missouri, you are the ignition point for this severe weather outbreak. Wednesday, you will hit 72 degrees. Thursday afternoon, 70 degrees with dew points in the low 60s. Then Thursday evening, the cold front arrives. Temperature drops to 31 degrees by Friday morning. That is a 40-degree temperature drop overnight, and right along that temperature divide is where the storms will fire. Clarksville, Tennessee, Lexington, Kentucky, Evansville, Indiana, Paducah, Kentucky, all in the direct path Thursday night into Friday morning. Here is what you need to do right now. If you live anywhere in this severe weather zone, and that includes Nashville, Tennessee at 76 degrees Wednesday, you need to have multiple ways to receive warnings Thursday night. A weather radio that will wake you up, a phone app with alerts enabled. Do not rely on just one method. These storms will likely develop after dark, and nighttime tornadoes are twice as deadly as daytime tornadoes because people are sleeping and cannot see the danger approaching. Nashville, Springfield, Illinois, Champaign, Urbana, Bloomington, Illinois, Terre Haute, Indiana, Fort Wayne, Indiana, all of you need to be weather aware Thursday night. This is a significant severe weather setup for mid-February. The Storm Prediction Center does not issue Day 4 outlooks lightly. They are telling you 4 days in advance that this is a dangerous situation. Listen to them. Now, while this severe weather is developing Thursday night in the Ohio Valley, something else is happening simultaneously up north. A blizzard. Grand Forks, North Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Duluth, Minnesota, you are already seeing this develop. Tonight, Monday night through Wednesday, you will experience heavy snow and strong winds creating whiteout conditions. Grand Forks, 8 to 12 inches of snow with wind gusts to 45 miles per hour. Fargo, 6 to 10 inches with similar wind. Duluth, this is your big event, 10 to 14 inches of snow with lake-enhanced bands potentially pushing totals over 16 inches in favored areas. Winds gusting to 50 miles per hour will create blizzard conditions, meaning you will not be able to see more than a quarter mile at times. Minneapolis, St. Paul, you will see 6 to 8 inches Tuesday into Wednesday with strong winds making travel difficult. The Twin Cities metro area is under a winter storm warning. This is not just a nuisance snow. This is a high-impact winter storm. Do your grocery shopping today. If you have medical appointments Tuesday or Wednesday, reschedule them if possible. This is a stay-home event. Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 4 to 8 inches Tuesday night into Wednesday. Rochester, Minnesota, 5 to 9 inches. Eau Claire, Wisconsin, 6 to 10 inches. Green Bay, Wisconsin, 4 to 7 inches. All of this snow is courtesy of the same upper-level trough that is bringing the severe weather to the south. It is all connected. Cold air north, warm air south, and where they meet, chaos. Now let me shift to the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. This is where things get really interesting later in the week. Boston, Providence, Hartford, Albany, Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo, all of you have been waiting for a significant winter storm all season. You have had a historically snowless winter so far. I-95 from Boston to Washington has seen almost nothing. That might change this weekend, but it is not a sure thing yet. Here is what we know. The severe weather system that hits the Ohio Valley Thursday night will race across Pennsylvania and New York Friday, bringing some light snow to the interior Northeast. Syracuse, you might see 2 to 4 inches Friday. Albany, 1 to 3 inches. Binghamton, 3 to 5 inches. Boston, you will see some snow Friday night, maybe 2 to 4 inches, nothing major. New York City, mostly rain with perhaps some wet snow mixing in late Friday night. Philadelphia, mostly rain. Baltimore, rain. Washington, D.C., rain. But then, and this is the part that has my attention, the GFS model is showing another storm system developing early next week around February 22nd that could bring a nor'easter to the Northeast. Now, I need to be very clear about this. This is one model run showing one possible scenario more than 5 days out. The chances of this actually happening exactly as shown are probably 30%. But it is something to watch. If you live in the Northeast and you have been wanting snow, keep an eye on the forecast over the next few days. There is a possibility, not a guarantee, but a possibility that you could see a significant snowstorm early next week. For outdoor events this week, let me give you some specific guidance because February is packed with activities across the country. If you are attending the Daytona 500 in Daytona Beach, Florida on Sunday, February 16th, you have perfect weather. Sunny, 78 degrees, light winds, ideal racing conditions. But by next Sunday, February 23rd, if there are any outdoor events in Daytona, you will be dealing with cooler temperatures, low 60s, and possible showers as a cold front moves through. For those attending winter festivals in the mountains, Steamboat Springs, Colorado Winter Carnival runs February 5th through 9th. Early in the week, you had great snow conditions. By Thursday and Friday, you are going to get dumped on. 2 to 3 feet of new snow Thursday through Saturday. If you are attending Winter Wondergrass at Steamboat February 28th through March 2nd, conditions will be excellent with fresh snow and cold temperatures. Sundance Film Festival wrapped up on February 2nd, but for those who attended, you experienced perfect winter weather. Park City continues to see excellent snow conditions through this week with the incoming storm bringing another 1 to 2 feet. St. Paul Winter Carnival in Minnesota, celebrating its 139th anniversary, runs through this week. Tuesday and Wednesday will be challenging with the blizzard conditions I mentioned earlier. Bundle up. Thursday and Friday will be cold but calmer. For the Waterbury Winterfest in Vermont, January 28th through February 1st, attendees saw variable conditions. Stowe Mountain and Bolton Valley, the nearby resorts, are looking at additional snow Wednesday night into Thursday, 4 to 8 inches, making for great skiing Friday through the weekend. Michigan Tech University Winter Carnival in Houghton, Michigan ran February 5th through 8th. Snow conditions were excellent. For future events in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, you are looking at lake effect snow continuing through the rest of February, especially downwind of Lake Superior. For outdoor events in the South, if you are attending Mardi Gras celebrations in New Orleans, Louisiana, the main parades run through Fat Tuesday, which is March 4th this year, but pre-Lenten celebrations are happening now. This week, perfect weather, 75 to 80 degrees, mostly sunny, but Thursday night into Friday, you will see showers and thunderstorms associated with that same severe weather system affecting the Ohio Valley. Mobile Alabama Mardi Gras celebrations, similar weather pattern. Beautiful Tuesday and Wednesday, storms Thursday night. For those attending spring training baseball in Arizona and Florida, Phoenix area games this week have ideal conditions. 78 to 82 degrees every day. Sunny, perfect baseball weather. But remember, Phoenix has been running 7 to 10 degrees above normal all winter. This is actually their warmest winter on record. Florida spring training sites, Tampa, Clearwater, Sarasota, Fort Myers, you are looking at mid-70s to low 80s all week. Thursday brings a chance of afternoon thunderstorms, but nothing that should significantly disrupt games. PGA golf events this week include the Genesis Invitational at Riviera Country Club in Pacific Palisades, California. This tournament returns after being relocated last year due to wildfires. Thursday and Friday, you are looking at scattered showers, 58 to 62 degrees. Not ideal, but playable. Saturday and Sunday, better conditions, partly cloudy, mid-60s. NASCAR fans, the Clash at Bowman Gray in Winston-Salem, North Carolina was Sunday, February 2nd in excellent conditions. For upcoming races, Daytona 500 this Sunday has perfect weather as I mentioned. Now let me give you specific timing for major cities because this is what you really need to know. When does the weather change in your neighborhood? Not just what day, but what time of day. Seattle, Washington. Monday night through Thursday morning, you will experience continuous rain. Heaviest rain, Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. We are talking 1 to 2 inches of rain in the city, 3 to 5 inches in the foothills. Flooding concerns in urban areas. Creek and stream flooding likely in the Cascades. Snow levels Tuesday 4,500 feet, Wednesday dropping to 3,500 feet, Thursday down to 2,500 feet. So if you are in the mountains, this starts as rain and transitions to heavy snow Wednesday into Thursday. Portland, Oregon, same timeline. Continuous rain Monday night through Thursday morning. Heaviest rain Wednesday. Urban flooding possible, especially in areas with poor drainage. The Willamette River will rise but is not expected to reach flood stage. Columbia River Gorge will see strong east winds Tuesday night into Wednesday, gusting to 50 miles per hour, making driving hazardous. San Francisco, California. Monday night, scattered showers with possible thunderstorms. One isolated tornado warning is possible, especially in the North Bay and East Bay. Tuesday, heavy rain 1 to 2 inches. Wednesday, showers continuing, another inch possible. Thursday, showers tapering off. For the mountains east of San Francisco, snow levels drop from 5,000 feet Monday to 2,000 feet Thursday. That is a huge drop. Highway 80 over Donner Pass becomes impassable Wednesday afternoon through Thursday. Do not attempt to cross. Los Angeles, California, Monday afternoon through Tuesday, scattered thunderstorms with tornado warnings possible. This is unusual, I know, but the atmospheric river has enough rotation to spin up brief tornadoes, especially near the coast. Heavy rain. Tuesday, 1 to 2 inches in the city, 3 to 6 inches in the mountains. Wednesday, showers continue. Thursday, clearing. For the mountains, snow levels drop to 2,500 feet by Wednesday night. The Grapevine on I-5 will likely close multiple times Tuesday through Thursday. Highway 14 also expect closures. San Diego, California. Monday through Wednesday, scattered showers, generally light, ½ inch to 1 inch total. Not a major event for you, but enough to cause slick roads and minor urban flooding. Las Vegas, Nevada. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Wednesday night, rain moves in. Thursday, rain changing to snow, especially in higher elevations around the city. Spring Mountains and Mount Charleston will see 1 to 2 feet of new snow Wednesday night through Friday. Phoenix, Arizona, Monday through Wednesday, mostly sunny, 78 to 82 degrees. Beautiful. Thursday, partly cloudy, 75 degrees. Friday, showers likely as the southern edge of the storm system clips you, 68 degrees. Not a major rain event, but enough to interrupt outdoor plans Friday afternoon. Denver, Colorado, Tuesday and Wednesday, partly cloudy, upper 40s to low 50s. Wednesday night, clouds increase. Thursday, snow developing by early afternoon. Heavy snow Thursday evening through Friday morning. This is your Thursday evening commute disaster. Plan to leave work early Thursday if possible. Accumulations of 6 to 12 inches in the city, 12 to 24 inches in the foothills. Friday, snow tapering to flurries by afternoon. Saturday, clearing and cold. Salt Lake City, Utah. Wednesday, partly cloudy, upper 40s. Thursday, snow developing by midday. Heavy snow Thursday afternoon through Friday morning. 8 to 12 inches in the valleys, 18 to 36 inches in the mountains. Cottonwood canyons could see 3 feet. This is a massive dump for the Wasatch. Friday afternoon, snow tapers off. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold. Boise, Idaho. Wednesday, rain developing in the afternoon. Wednesday night, rain changing to snow. Thursday, heavy snow accumulating 8 to 14 inches. Friday, snow showers continuing, another 2 to 4 inches. This is a significant winter storm for Boise. Stock up on supplies Wednesday, Billings, Montana. Thursday, partly cloudy. Friday, snow developing by afternoon. Friday night, heavy snow with strong winds creating blizzard conditions. 8 to 14 inches accumulation. Saturday, snow tapering off but winds remaining strong. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Wednesday night, snow developing in the Sandia Mountains. Thursday, snow spreading to the city, accumulating 2 to 5 inches. For the mountains, 10 to 18 inches. Friday, snow tapering off. Now for the severe weather zone. This is the critical timing information that could save your life. St. Louis, Missouri. Thursday, warm and breezy, 70 degrees by afternoon. Dew points climbing into low 60s. Thursday evening, 7 to 9 p.m. Severe thunderstorms developing. Tornado warnings likely, damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes all possible. Storms continue through 10 p.m., then the line moves east. Temperature crashes overnight. By Friday morning, 31 degrees, Indianapolis, Indiana. Thursday, partly cloudy and warm, upper 60s. Thursday night, 9 p.m. to midnight, severe thunderstorms, supercells likely, significant tornado threat. This is the peak danger window. Have your safe place identified, have your weather radio on, have your phone charged and nearby. Friday morning, temperatures in the mid-30s, windy and much colder. Louisville, Kentucky. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid-70s, feeling like spring. Thursday night, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., severe thunderstorms likely. Tornado watches will probably be issued Thursday afternoon. Tornado warnings likely Thursday evening. This is a dangerous setup. Do not ignore the warnings. Friday, cold and breezy, upper 40s. Cincinnati, Ohio. Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 60s. Thursday night, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. Friday, severe thunderstorms moving through. Tornado threat, damaging wind threat, hail threat. Be ready. Friday, cloudy and much cooler, mid-40s, Columbus, Ohio. Thursday, partly sunny, mid-60s. Thursday night into Friday morning, midnight to 3 a.m., severe thunderstorms. By the time the line reaches you, it may be weakening, but do not count on it. Tornado threat continues. Friday, mostly cloudy, mid-40s, Nashville, Tennessee. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid-70s. Thursday evening, 6 to 9 p.m., severe thunderstorms likely. Tornado threat moderate to high. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, upper 50s, Memphis, Tennessee. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid-70s. Thursday evening, 5 to 8 p.m., severe thunderstorms developing. Tornado watches likely. Friday, partly cloudy, low 60s, Chicago, Illinois. Wednesday, partly sunny, mid-60s, a taste of spring. Thursday, cloudy and cooler, mid-50s. Thursday night, 8 p.m. to midnight, strong thunderstorms, but the severe threat is lower than areas to the south. Still gusty winds and heavy rain possible. Friday, mostly cloudy and cold, low 40s, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Wednesday, partly sunny, low 60s. Thursday, cloudy, low 50s. Thursday night, rain developing, possibly mixing with snow late. Not a severe weather threat for you, but a messy night. Detroit, Michigan. Wednesday, partly sunny, upper 50s. Thursday, cloudy, low 50s. Thursday night, rain and thunderstorms, but again, not a severe threat like areas to the south. Friday, mostly cloudy, low 40s. Now for the mid-Atlantic and Northeast. This is where the timing gets a little less certain, but here is what we know. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Thursday, partly cloudy, low 60s. Thursday night, strong thunderstorms possible, but the severe threat is marginal. Friday, rain changing to snow by afternoon, 1 to 3 inches of snow accumulation Friday night. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold, Buffalo, New York. Wednesday, partly sunny, upper 40s. Thursday, cloudy, mid-40s. Thursday night into Friday, rain developing, possibly mixing with snow Friday morning. 2 to 4 inches of snow accumulation Friday. Saturday, lake effect snow showers, another 1 to 3 inches, Syracuse, New York. Wednesday, partly cloudy, mid-40s. Thursday, cloudy, mid-40s. Friday, snow developing by midday. 3 to 6 inches accumulation. Saturday, lake effect snow showers, Albany, New York. Wednesday, partly sunny, mid-40s. Thursday, cloudy, mid-40s. Friday, rain changing to snow by evening. 1 to 3 inches accumulation Friday night. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold, Boston, Massachusetts. Wednesday, partly sunny, upper 40s. Thursday, cloudy, upper 40s. Friday, rain developing by afternoon, changing to snow Friday night. 2 to 4 inches accumulation. Saturday, partly cloudy, mid-30s. Providence, Rhode Island. Same as Boston. Rain, Friday afternoon changing to snow Friday night. 2 to 4 inches, Hartford, Connecticut. Rain to snow Friday night. 2 to 4 inches, New York City, New York. Wednesday, partly sunny, low 50s. Thursday, cloudy, low 50s. Friday, rain developing, possibly mixing with wet snow. Friday night, but mostly rain. Saturday, partly cloudy, low 40s. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Wednesday, partly sunny, mid-50s. Thursday, cloudy, mid-50s. Friday, rain, heavy at times, no snow expected. Saturday, partly cloudy, mid-40s. Baltimore, Maryland. Similar to Philadelphia. Rain Friday, no snow. Washington, D.C. Wednesday, partly sunny, upper 50s. Thursday, cloudy, upper 50s. Friday, rain developing. Saturday, partly cloudy, upper 40s, now for the south and southeast. You have mostly quiet weather this week except for the severe weather threat Thursday night, Atlanta, Georgia. Tuesday, partly sunny, 72 degrees. Wednesday, partly cloudy, 75 degrees. Thursday, partly cloudy, 76 degrees. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms developing, but the severe threat is lower than areas to the north. Friday, mostly cloudy, upper 60s, Charleston, South Carolina. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid-70s, beautiful weather. Friday, showers likely, upper 60s, Charlotte, North Carolina. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Friday, showers, low 60s, Raleigh, North Carolina. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Friday, rain, low 60s, Richmond, Virginia. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 60s. Friday, rain, upper 50s. Jacksonville, Florida. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s. Friday, partly cloudy with isolated showers, mid 70s. Miami, Florida. All week, mostly sunny, low 80s. You are in paradise while the rest of the country deals with winter chaos. Enjoy it. Tampa, Florida. All week, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. A slight chance of afternoon thunderstorms Thursday, but nothing significant. New Orleans, Louisiana. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday, partly cloudy, upper 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be strong. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Houston, Texas. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, low to mid-80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms developing. Some storms could be strong with gusty winds and heavy rain. Friday, partly cloudy, low 70s, San Antonio, Texas. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid-80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s, Dallas, Texas. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, low to mid-80s. Thursday, partly cloudy, upper 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe with damaging winds and large hail. Friday, partly cloudy and much cooler, upper 50s, Austin, Texas. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid-80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Now let me talk about the rest of February and early March because there are some important long-range trends you need to know about. The pattern we are in right now, this back and forth between winter and spring, is going to continue through the end of February. What meteorologists call a false spring. Warm air surges north, bringing record warmth. Then a cold front crashes through, bringing winter back. Then it warms up again. This yo-yo pattern is exhausting, but it is also dangerous because it keeps the severe weather threat elevated. Looking at the Climate Prediction Center's long-range outlooks, the next 2 weeks favor above-average temperatures across most of the central and eastern United States. The exceptions are the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Plains, which will see below-average temperatures. For precipitation, above average is forecast for the Pacific Northwest, the Northern Rockies, around the Great Lakes, in the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, and in the Northeast. Below average precipitation is forecast for parts of the Southwest and Florida. What this means in practical terms is more storms, more rain, more snow, and more severe weather potential. If you are hoping for a quiet end to winter, I have bad news. It is going to stay active. For the Ohio Valley, the severe weather threat Thursday night is just the first in a potential series of severe weather events over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Every time warm air surges north and collides with a cold front, we have the potential for severe storms. And with Gulf moisture readily available, these setups can become significant quickly. For the West Coast, the active pattern continues through at least the first week of March. Storm after storm will move onshore, bringing heavy rain to the coast and heavy snow to the mountains. Flooding concerns will persist, especially in areas that have already seen significant rainfall. The Sierra Nevada snowpack, which was running below average earlier this winter, is now above average and will continue to build through early March. This is great news for water supply, but creates avalanche danger in the mountains and flooding concerns when the snow eventually melts. For the Midwest and Great Lakes, lake effect snow will be a recurring theme through the end of February. Every time a cold front passes, you will see snow showers downwind of the lakes. Buffalo, Syracuse, Cleveland, Erie, Grand Rapids, Milwaukee, all will see multiple rounds of lake effect snow. Individual events might only bring 1 to 3 inches, but it adds up over time. For the Northeast, as I mentioned earlier, there are some signals that a more active pattern could develop in late February into early March. The GFS model has been hinting at nor'easter potential, but nothing is set in stone yet. If you live in the I-95 corridor and you have been wanting a significant snowstorm, the last week of February into the first week of March might be your window. But again, this is not a guarantee. It is something to watch. For the South and Southeast, the pattern remains generally quiet outside of the severe weather events that develop when cold fronts push through. Most days will be mild to warm with plenty of sunshine. But every 5 to 7 days, a cold front will bring a round of showers and thunderstorms, and some of those could be severe. Now let me give you some additional city forecasts that I have not covered yet because I want this to be as comprehensive as possible. Omaha, Nebraska. Tuesday and Wednesday, upper 50s to low 60s. Thursday, mid-60s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe. Friday, partly cloudy and much cooler, upper 40s. Des Moines, Iowa, similar to Omaha. Warm Tuesday through Thursday, then storms Thursday night and much cooler Friday, Sioux City, Iowa. Tuesday, upper 50s. Wednesday, low 60s. Thursday, mid-60s. Thursday night, thunderstorms, possibly severe. Friday, partly cloudy, mid-40s. Rapid City, South Dakota. Tuesday through Thursday, mid-40s to low 50s. Friday, snow likely, accumulating 3 to 6 inches. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold, Bismarck, North Dakota. Tuesday and Wednesday, snow showers with blizzard conditions. Total accumulation 4 to 8 inches. Thursday, partly cloudy and cold. Friday, another round of snow 1 to 3 inches. Knoxville, Tennessee. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms, some could be severe. Friday, partly cloudy, low 60s, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Similar to Knoxville. Warm through Thursday, storms Thursday night, cooler Friday, Huntsville, Alabama. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, low to mid-70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy, mid-60s. Birmingham, Alabama. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid-70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be strong. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Montgomery, Alabama. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Jackson, Mississippi. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe with damaging winds. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Shreveport, Louisiana. Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, low to mid 80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Little Rock, Arkansas, Tuesday through Thursday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe with tornadoes possible. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, low 60s. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe with large hail and damaging winds. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, mid 50s. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, upper 50s. Then late Friday night into Saturday, another round of snow is possible. This is the system the models are waffling on. It could bring 3 to 6 inches of snow to Oklahoma City and Tulsa Friday night into Saturday, or it could miss you entirely. This is a 50-50 call right now. Check back for updates. Wichita, Kansas, Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, low 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, upper 50s. Friday night into Saturday, snow likely, accumulating 4 to 8 inches. This is more likely than the Oklahoma snow. Plan accordingly. Topeka, Kansas, similar to Wichita, warm through Thursday, storms Thursday night, then snow Friday night into Saturday. Kansas City, Missouri, and Kansas. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, low 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Some could be severe. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, upper 50s. Friday night, a chance of snow. Accumulation uncertain. Lincoln, Nebraska. Tuesday, partly sunny, mid 60s. Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 60s. Thursday, partly cloudy, low 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, upper 50s. Friday night into Saturday, a chance of snow. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Monday through Wednesday, mostly sunny, mid-50s to low 60s. Wednesday night, snow developing in the mountains. Thursday, snow spreading to the city, accumulating 2 to 5 inches. Friday, snow showers tapering off. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Wednesday night, snow developing. Thursday, heavy snow accumulating 6 to 12 inches. Friday, snow showers. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold. Flagstaff, Arizona. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Wednesday night, snow developing. Thursday and Friday, heavy snow, accumulating 12 to 24 inches. Saturday, snow showers tapering off. Tucson, Arizona, Monday through Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid-70s. Friday, showers likely, upper 60s. El Paso, Texas. Monday through Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 60s to low 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, upper 60s. Friday, showers possible, mid-60s. Lubbock, Texas. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday, partly cloudy, upper 70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms possible. Friday, partly cloudy and cooler, low 60s. Amarillo, Texas. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, mid-70s to upper 70s. Thursday, partly cloudy, mid-70s. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms possible. Friday, partly cloudy and much cooler, low 50s. Reno, Nevada. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Wednesday, rain and snow, snow levels 3,500 feet. Thursday, rain and snow continuing. Friday, snow showers tapering off. Accumulations in the city 2 to 4 inches. Higher elevations 6 to 12 inches. Spokane, Washington. Tuesday, rain. Wednesday, rain changing to snow by evening. Thursday, snow accumulating 4 to 8 inches. Friday, snow showers. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold. Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, similar to Spokane, rain to snow. Wednesday night, heavy snow. Thursday, total accumulation 6 to 10 inches. Pocatello, Idaho. Wednesday, rain developing. Wednesday night, rain changing to snow. Thursday, heavy snow accumulating 6 to 12 inches. Friday, snow showers. Twin Falls, Idaho. Wednesday, rain developing. Wednesday night, rain changing to snow. Thursday, snow accumulating 4 to 8 inches. Ogden, Utah. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, snow developing by midday, heavy at times, accumulating 6 to 10 inches. Friday, snow tapering off. Provo, Utah, similar to Ogden. Heavy snow Thursday, 6 to 10 inches. Cedar City, Utah. Wednesday night, snow developing. Thursday, heavy snow accumulating 8 to 14 inches. Friday, snow showers. St. George, Utah. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, showers likely, possibly mixed with snow. Not a major event for you. Grand Junction, Colorado. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, rain and snow developing. Snow levels 4,500 feet. Thursday night, snow levels dropping to 3,500 feet. Friday, snow showers. Accumulation in the city 1 to 3 inches. Higher elevations 4 to 8 inches. Durango, Colorado. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, snow developing by afternoon. Heavy snow Thursday night through Friday. Accumulating 8 to 16 inches. Saturday, snow showers tapering off. Pueblo, Colorado. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, cloudy. Thursday night, snow developing. Friday, snow accumulating 3 to 6 inches. Saturday, partly cloudy and cold. Colorado Springs, Colorado. Similar to Denver. Heavy snow Thursday night through Friday, 6 to 12 inches. Fort Collins, Colorado. Similar to Denver. Heavy snow Thursday night through Friday, 8 to 14 inches. Laramie, Wyoming. Thursday, cloudy. Thursday night, snow developing. Friday, heavy snow with blizzard conditions possible, accumulating 10 to 18 inches with drifting. Saturday, snow showers. Rock Springs, Wyoming. Thursday, partly cloudy. Friday, snow developing, accumulating 6 to 12 inches. Saturday, snow showers. Jackson, Wyoming. Wednesday night, snow developing. Thursday, heavy snow. Friday, heavy snow continuing. Total accumulation 18 to 30 inches. This is a major snow event for Jackson Hole, Idaho Falls, Idaho. Wednesday night, rain changing to snow. Thursday, heavy snow accumulating 8 to 14 inches. Friday, snow showers. Helena, Montana. Friday, snow developing. Friday night, heavy snow with strong winds. Blizzard conditions likely, accumulating 8 to 14 inches. Saturday, snow showers and windy. Butte, Montana. Friday, snow developing. Friday night, heavy snow, accumulating 10 to 16 inches. Saturday, snow showers, Missoula, Montana. Thursday night, rain changing to snow. Friday, heavy snow, accumulating 6 to 12 inches. Saturday, snow showers, Great Falls, Montana. Friday afternoon, snow developing. Friday night, heavy snow with strong winds creating blizzard conditions, accumulating 8 to 14 inches with significant drifting. Saturday, snow showers and windy. Now, let me address outdoor February events specifically because so many people have asked about this. If you are attending the St. Paul Winter Carnival, which runs through the end of this week, Tuesday and Wednesday will be the most challenging days due to the blizzard conditions I mentioned. Thursday and Friday will be cold, but much better for outdoor activities. For those planning to attend Mardi Gras festivities in New Orleans, Mobile, or Galveston, the weather this week is generally favorable except for Thursday night when that severe weather threat moves through. Most Mardi Gras parades in New Orleans run in the 2 weeks leading up to Fat Tuesday, which is March 4th this year. So you have plenty of time, and most of that time will feature pleasant weather. For ski enthusiasts attending events like the Steamboat Winter Carnival in Colorado, which was February 5th through 9th, you had excellent conditions. For future ski events, conditions across the Rockies will be outstanding over the next 10 days with feet of new snow arriving. For golf fans, the Genesis Invitational at Riviera Country Club in Los Angeles runs through the weekend. Thursday and Friday will be wet, but Saturday and Sunday look better. The Pebble Beach Pro-Am wrapped up on February 2nd in generally good conditions. For NASCAR fans, Daytona 500 Sunday has perfect weather. For the Clash at Bowman Gray, that was February 2nd, conditions were excellent. For those attending college basketball games this week, indoor events obviously are not weather dependent, but if you are traveling to games, be aware of the severe weather threat Thursday night across the Midwest and Ohio Valley, and the snow Friday in parts of the Rockies and Northern Plains. For outdoor runners training for spring marathons, this week offers a mix of conditions. If you are in the South or Southeast, you have beautiful running weather Tuesday and Wednesday. If you are in the Midwest or Northeast, Wednesday is your best day for a long run before conditions deteriorate Thursday and Friday. Now let me wrap this up with the most important information. What do you need to do right now to prepare? If you live in the western United States, from California to Montana and Colorado, you need to prepare for significant winter weather. Stock up on groceries, fill up your gas tank, charge your devices, and have emergency supplies ready, including flashlights, batteries, and blankets. If you lose power during this storm, it could be out for days in some mountain areas. If you live in the severe weather zone from Texas through the Ohio Valley, you need to have multiple ways to receive warnings Thursday night. Do not rely on just your phone. Have a weather radio. Have a plan for where you will go if a tornado warning is issued. If you are in a mobile home, identify a sturdy building nearby where you can take shelter. Tornado safety is simple. Get to the lowest level of a sturdy building in an interior room away from windows. Cover yourself with blankets or a mattress if possible. If you live in the northern plains and Minnesota, the blizzard Tuesday and Wednesday means you should avoid travel if possible. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit in your car, including blankets, food, water, a flashlight, and a phone charger. If you live in the Northeast and you are hoping for snow, keep watching the forecast. The potential for a late February storm exists, but it is not certain yet. For everyone, regardless of where you live, this is an active weather pattern. Check the forecast every day. Conditions are changing rapidly. What is forecast today might change tomorrow. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. One more thing. I need you to help me help you. Leave a comment below telling me where you live, and I will do my best to give you a personalized forecast in the comments. I cannot promise I will get to everyone, but I will try. The more specific you are with your location, the better forecast I can give you. Do not just say Texas. Tell me if you are in Houston, Dallas, El Paso, or Amarillo. They all have very different forecasts. Also, if you found this forecast helpful, make sure you are subscribed because I will be updating this situation daily. Tomorrow, I will have a new video with updated model runs and refined timing for all of these systems. The severe weather threat Thursday night is particularly important to track closely because the models will fine-tune exactly where the worst storms will be. Remember, weather is not something to fear, but it is something to respect. Knowledge is power. Now you know what is coming. Now you know when it is coming.